After 20 years in this industry, one of the things I've realized the last couple of years is how unprepared real estate agents are for one, life after real estate, and two, for how to manage their finances. So starting with my team, I've started a class called Wealth Building Wednesdays. I do it every other Wednesday, and it's a different topic every single week. And I would like to invite you, whether you're a real estate agent or a consumer that's thinking about real estate, at any company out there, I'd like to invite you personally to attend Wealth Building Wednesdays. Now, it is in person, it's confidential, it won't be recorded. I don't do it via Zoom. So if you're interested in coming to our Wealth Building Wednesdays class, where I teach things like private equity, flipping real estate, rental properties, how to maximize your credit card points, how to save money, how to cut your expenses, what I look at in terms of where to invest, maybe even where to buy land. So the whole point of the class is to help teach my agents and more people out there about building wealth and being financially responsible. So if you're interested, again, just reply to this email, comment on social media. We'll make sure to get you an invite and let you know the topic of our next couple Wealth Building Wednesdays classes.